I've built a Lego sorting machine that sorted over 30,000 Lego pieces. It sorts almost 500 pieces an hour at over 90% accuracy. And it's so quiet that it's running 5 feet away from me right now. Let me tell you about it. The machine is broken up into 3 mechanical sub-assemblies. First is the feeder, then the classification, and followed by distribution. The job of the feeder is to feed one piece at a time into the carousel trays. Once one piece drops into the carousel trays will rotate into the classification chamber where a high-resolution picture will be taken of the piece. That high-resolution picture will be used for identification to figure out what piece that is, and then based on the sorting profile of the machine, we'll know which bin to put the piece into. It's a matter of rotating the carousel tray one more time to drop the piece into the central chute of the distributor. The distributor's central chute can rotate. It can divert pieces into any of the bins radially. There's also a flap at each layer of the distributor so that the flap can raise to divert the piece into a bin on that layer. Let's take a closer look. This is the bulk bucket where you drop bulk unsorted Lego. That will drop the bulk, it'll drop large clumps of Lego onto this next circular channel here. Every time the pieces get dropped, they spread out a little bit. And that's the goal. We want to spread these pieces out as much as possible. So there will be another drop. Right there you saw those 2 red pieces separated, which is the whole goal of this subassembly. We want just one piece at a time falling onto these carousel trays. Just like that. And then once those pieces fall onto the carousel trays, they go into the classification chamber where a camera takes a picture of them. Once we have a picture of it, we can identify the piece and send it to distribution. So the distributor has a central chute with these flaps that divert pieces into different layers, and it will rotate. And whatever layer the piece needs to go to, that flap will get closed, and the piece will get diverted into that layer. The distributor has the central chute that can rotate to divert pieces into the bins that they need to go into. Each layer has a flap that will close to divert the piece into the bin that it needs to go to. So that's the quick overview on my Lego sorting machine. If you want to know more about the team that designed it or the engineering that went into it, either find the link in the description or click up here to go to the follow-up video that'll be a deep dive on the engineering that went into the machine. Thanks for watching.